Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this one video. In this video, I will explain to you how to use the master prompt and how to create the 3D cartoon for the kids from the master prompt. My master prompt include 9 questions. The ChatGPT will ask 9 questions from the user. How to use? Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome and then type the chatgpt.com or click on the ChatGPT icon. You can see here above is the chatgpt.com. This is the main page of the ChatGPT. This is the search box of the ChatGPT. Come to the master prompt. This is the master prompt I have created. It includes the 9 questions. To create 3D high quality cartoon, first of all, ask about below question and wait for entering data one by one from the user. Then go next question. These all question. Critically, I will show you these all question, how to copy these all question, this master prompt and paste here in the ChatGPT search box. You can see here and then click on the arrow button. It will the process will start. It depends upon your internet speed. You can see here above sure I will ask one question at a time and wait for your answer before moving to the next one. This is the first question. How many characters do you need? Then I enter 3 and then press the enter button. You can see here this is the second question. You can see how long should the video be? This is the length, 30 seconds, 1 minute. I enter the 1 minute video. And this is the third question. What type of video do you want? This is the third one question. Ask from me. You can see here religious, education, functional, music, and you can other question. I selected the religious one. Copy and paste here. It will take time, depend upon your internet speed. So you can see here, this is the fourth question. What is the topic of the video? For example, the 5 pillars of Islam. You can see here, this is the 4th number question. This one, what is the topic of the video? The 5 pillars of Islam, how to perform wuzu, story of the Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, importance of the Salah. You can see here, I copy the 5 pillars of Islam, copy it and paste here, and you can also enter another topics. I want to type 4 obligation of the wudu, then press the enter button or click on the arrow button. You can see here this is the 5th number question. Which language should the character speak? You can see Urdu, English, Arabic, Hindi, in another language. You can enter another language. I enter English one and then press the enter button. It will process. Now this is the question number 6. Which animation style do you want? This is the question number 6 of my master prompt. And Disney style 3D, I select this one. You can select anyone. Copy and paste here and then press the enter button. The process will start here. This is the question number 7. What aspect ratio do you need? You can see this is the 7th question of my master prompt. 16:9, 9:16, 1:1. I select the YouTube ratio 16:9, copy and paste here, and then you can see this is the question number 9, character consistency prompt. To create one. It is not you can simply reply. So copy the create one and paste the above one. Copy and paste here and then press the enter button. The process will start here and you can see here who are the 3 character. 3 character are father, son, imam, Islamic teacher, boy, girl. You can select the one option from here. This is the character consistency. You can see I select the Islamic. I want to select the Islamic teacher, boy and girl. The second option, copy and paste the second one option, and then press the enter button. And you can see here your selection is this one. This is the summary of your master prompt. These all summary will show you by the ChatGPT. Finally, enter or type that, then finally to create image prompt and video prompt respectively. This is the important prompt. You can see here ChatGPT gave me the image prompt number 1, introduction, include the introduction, the 4 obligation of wuzu. Image prompt 2, obligation number 1, washing the entire face. This is the obligation number 1 of the wuzu. The third prompt include the obligation second obligation, washing both arm, include the elbow. You can see here. And image prompt number 4 include the obligation number 3, wiping part of the head, massa. It's called massa. And fifth number obligation number, last one, 4, washing both feet, including the ankle. And finally, the image prompt ending of your cartoon and your video. This is the video prompt number 1, introduction from 0 to 10 seconds. And below is the video prompt, include the obligation number 1. This is the today we will learn the 4 obligation, and this is the obligation number 2nd and 3rd. And every video prompt include 10 seconds. You can see this is the obligation number 4, and last one is the ending of your video. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to use the master prompt. This master prompt include the 6 image prompt and 6 video prompt. You can easily create the image prompt as well as video prompt from your master prompt. So if you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.